This is the EPS Block Machine we produce. This machine is used to produce 6-meter-long EPS blocks. This machine saves more steam and has a shorter cooling time and is very popular among customers. This is the control cabinet of the equipment. Adopt Siemens or Schneider PLC and touch screen. These are EPS pre-expander machines. These are continuous EPS pre-expander machines. We can customize machines of different sizes and configurations. We are a professional manufacturer of EPS equipment. If you have any questions about EPS equipment, please feel free to contact us.